welcome back to my channel, Parker J75, here in Portage, Alaska. We'll find out here. So anyways, we're here at one of our favorite campsites, Bear Canyon. And interesting, right when I was setting everything up, a couple just walked by, I'd say about a good 15 minutes ago, and warned me that about, sorry for the sun. It's 8:35 at night. I know, I'm wearing shades at night. I wear my sunglasses at night. I have to. It's Alaska. So about 500 yards that way, you see a little trail, beautiful little trail. And somewhere over there is a mama bear, and the cubs. And yeah, very nerve-wracking, very nerve-wracking right now. But I said, you know what? I gotta fly. I gotta show you guys where I'm at. That's what I do here. I mean, who knows how long I'm gonna be here in Alaska? I don't know. Another year, 2 years, 10 years, 2 months? I don't know. But I wanna show everybody else why you should come and visit Alaska. I mean, come on, look at this. Still a bunch of snow way up there. Major avalanche avenue right there. Huge one. But I mean, come on. 8:30 at night, 8:40 now. Oh, look at that. Right there in between there, there's glaciers on the other side. In the video, you'll see the big old lakes heading that way. Oh, mwah. You remember the video where I said I'm walking on glacier water? Yeah, it's over there. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it out there right now. Because, I don't know, we might. We'll see what happens. I don't know yet. But yeah, let's take my drone. We went up there, flew a little bit and stuff like that. And yeah, let's see what we can find out there. All right, let's get droning time. Oh my God. Them were some beautiful views out there. I didn't know you can kayak down that little river down there, but that was pretty cool. So right now I'm heading back to my little small campsite. We did a little day camp. Again, here my favorite little spot here called Bear Canyon. Yeah, I'm about to leave because I don't want them bears creeping up on me right now. So yeah, look at nice little, you know, foresty campsites. Oh man, did you see all the little small campsites? Yeah, little trail, literally, simply beautiful. Finally, we got greenage. Everything's green and not white. So, like I said, yeah, a couple kind of warned me, so I'm gonna head back to my site, to my campsite. Oh, yeah, look at this, nice little creek right here. Yeah, I'm in there. I'm in there somewhere, you know. So. I'm good. Look. This water is so clean, you can drink this. Look at how clear the water is. Look at that. You can literally see at the bottom of there. I kid you not, all this water right here is glacier water. And as long as the water is moving, it's nice and clean. Oh, no fishes in here yet. I haven't seen any. But look how clear that water is. You can literally see the bottom of there. Oh man. Like I said, it's summertime here. It's around 8:45, 8:50. I'm assuming, I don't know. Well, hold on. Let's double check something here real quick here. Let me see. Yeah. Look at my girlfriend. No, I'm joking. But yeah, overall, that is the time right there. If you can see that, I don't know if you can or not, but it is 8:40 at night. Yeah, 8:40 at night, and we're just, you know, having a nice little day camp is what we call it. Oh, look at this. Nice. Here's where you walk in and it's extremely cold. And I'm not gonna get in there just yet. You come there, relax there, you know, have your moment of useless, deep thoughts. Damn, that's deep. I know. So yeah, no, like I said, there's gonna be plenty of these little, quick little hikes and stuff, you know. And I'm almost to my site and stuff like that. So again, this is hidden into Portage Glacier, is what it's called, and it's a little side road off the main highway, and it's something we've been coming here for years. It's a quiet little escape. It's quiet, it's beautiful, you know. It's just, I mean, come on. Oh, here's my stop right here. And there's the fam right there. Oh yeah, this is where we barbecue. This is where we come. Oh, look at, they're all hiding. Yeah. Oh, here comes the guard dog. There's Chappie. That's Chapparoony right there. How you doing? Huh? Come on, Baba. Come on. Yes, we got trees. Oh, look at this. We got Daisy. How you doing, Mama? How you doing? And there's the Israel man. What's going on?
Hey there, guys.
Here, all the ladies hiding. They're all hiding.
Back.
So, I'd like to say thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, you know. If you like the video, you know what you need to do. Smash that button up. If you don't like the video, hit the down button, hit the down thumb twice. And see if you get it. I'd like to say thank you for joining in and watching my video, Parker J75, here in Portage, Alaska. I hope I'm saying that right. I could be wrong. But hey, you know what? I'm in Alaska. Who cares where I'm at, right? All right. Nachos.